this Volleyball World Beach Pro, our own young athletes is also going to get the opportunity how the world is playing, where we are lacking it, whether we have to compete in that level, then what is the preparation we have to make. And I think Goa is blessed with that, and definitely we are going to take our Goan young minds or the athletes or the sports person to the next level by studying, by learning from all these organizations, worldwide organizations, how the organizing part is there, what are the criteria is required, and we are also going to learn more thing about this World Volleyball Pro League 2020.
World Beach Pro Tour टोर्नामेंट म्हणजे खुबशा कंट्रीनी खेळत लीग मॅचीस खेळत येतात. सो हेका परमनंट अशें कांय ना, पूण वी शूड बी प्रावड, कित्याक वर्ल्ड फेडरेशनान जेन्ना इंडिया सिलेक्ट केलें आनी इंडियान फक्त गोंयानूच जावं, म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यांनी चेन्नय बीन खूब ट्राय केली पूण जावंक ना, सो तेंच्यांनी ओली गोवा म्हटलां.